There's usually a lot of fog on the A30, and out there near Windlesham there's a bus shelter, but the timetable is all yellowed because no bus has stopped there for 35 years. But there's two boys in there, Windlesham lads they are, and every night they sit with their brother cider. And one says to the other, "Are you sure the punk rock bus is coming tonight?" He said, "It is written that the Tuesday after the supermoon, the punk rock bus shall come up the A30, and it will be driven by Lee Brillo, and Joe Strummer will be the conductor, and it will take you to heaven. You will see the Damned and the Members at G Live. Fantastic audience, and we don't want to overstay our welcome. So, we'll see you all again. And I want you to pull your lungs full of lovely Surrey air and sing with me one more time.